Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASUS PN63-S1 Barebone Mini PC. So friends, this ultra compact tiny PC Barebone is ideal for any workspace, and friends, there are 11 generation Intel CoreTM CPUs up to 64 GB of RAM and triple disk configuration. So friends, ASUS announces the PN63-S1 Barebone PC. It is equipped with Core i5 and i7 CPUs, 11 generation Intel Core processor, support for up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM and Intel Iris Xe graphics solution and Intel Iris Xe graphics solution for stimulus operation for up to 3 screens, and in addition it offers a triple drive design with space for a 2.5-inch hard drive, PCIe Generation 3x4 SSD and PCIe Generation 4x4 M.2 SSD, and Wi-Fi 6, which is also more energy efficient, ensure stable and lightning fast network connection, and an Intel 2.5 Gbps LAN connection is also installed as standard. And it is rounded off by numerous input and output sockets. Like all mini PCs from ASUS, the device has also undergone extensive tests to ensure 24/7 reliability. So friend, now I will talk about the availability. So friend, it is now available to purchase, and friend, it will be comes with B3 Barebone configuration. So friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Core i3 model is priced at €429.90, Core i5 model is priced at €519.90, and Core i7 model is priced at €619.90. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.